Continuing with 4.1 to 4.3 review. Number 1, looking at question number 5. So I'm going to solve by using elimination. So this one plays real nice, and I have a couple of opposites already, right? So those just cross off as I add vertically. So it's negative 9x equals 27. Divide by negative 9, and x equals negative 3. Now to find the y, I plug back into any of the equations. This top one looks like the easiest. So, sorry, I solved for x already. So that gives me positive 12 plus y equals 6. Subtract 12 to both sides. Y equals negative 6. So the two lines, if I graphed them, would cross at negative 3, negative 6. I don't have any opposites already, but I can make that happen. So I'm going to take this bottom one, and these are different signs already, so I'm just going to take this bottom one and multiply everything by 8. So I'm going to rewrite what I have over here. So I get negative 40x plus 8y, and 19 times 8 is 152. Okay, so I cross out my opposites and I get negative 43x equals 172. I'll divide by negative 43. I get 172 divided by 43 is negative 4. Okay. Oh, sorry. You can see that. Negative 4. Okay. So you can see here I multiplied everything by 8, and then I combined like terms right here, added right there, divided everything. Oops, sorry, that should be a 43, and then I get negative 4. Okay. Now I got to find the y. It doesn't matter which one I plug it into. I'm going to plug it into this one before I multiplied by 8. So it's negative 5 times negative 4, which I figured out, plus y equals 19. So I get positive 20 plus y equals 19. Subtract 20 to both sides. Y equals negative 1. So my answer is negative 4, negative 1. Number 7. So I need some opposites, and it looks like the y's are probably the easiest ones to do here, but they're different signs. So I can't just multiply this bottom one by 6. I need to multiply it by negative 6. So I'm going to rewrite this top equation. And then this bottom one, I'm going to go ahead and multiply out. So I get negative 30x minus 6y. And then 13 times 6 is 78, and that's positive 78. And then I get negative 24x equals positive 72. Divide by 24. That gives me negative 3. Okay, now I got to find the y. So same thing, I'll go ahead and plug into the one that I multiplied by before I multiplied. So this 5x plus y equals 13 negative. It gives me negative 15 plus y equals negative 13. Add a 15 to both sides. And y equals positive 2. So my actual answer is negative 3, 2. If I graphed them, that's where they would cross. Okay. Last one here. Looks like I can get rid of either one. X or I've got rid of y's in the last one, so I'm going to go and get rid of x's this time. So I'm going to go ahead and multiply this top one by negative 3. Okay. And so rewriting, I get negative 6x minus 3y equals negative 60, all over 6x minus 5y equals 12. Cross those out, I get negative 8y equals negative 48 divided by negative 8. Okay. And so we're looking at positive 6. Positive 6. Okay. I'll go ahead and plug it into this one right here. Doesn't make a difference. So I'm going to say 6x minus 5 times 6 equals 12. 6x minus 30 equals 12. Add 30 to both sides. 6x equals 42. Right? Divided by 6 and x equals 7. Okay. And so we're looking at the coordinate point 7, 6.